Hello all. Today we will learn various basic logic gates in the subject of digital logic design. There are total 7 basic logic gates that you have to study: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate. So these are total 7 basic logic gates. And one more logic gate that will be see is 3 input XOR gate. So its basic operation and the IC of each gate we will study. So let us first start with the definition of logic gate. So a logic gate is an idealized or physical electronics device implementing a Boolean function, a logical operation performed on one or more binary inputs that produces a single binary output. That means logic gate is implementing a Boolean function. Here is a word Boolean function. So what is Boolean function? So in a mathematical equation, suppose a plus bc is equal to x or whatever equation is given. So in this, if a variable contains only two values, either 0 or either 1, then it is called Boolean function. So remember that in Boolean function, each variable can hold only two values, either 0 or 1. No any other values are allowed. So this word is used with the digital logic circuits. Next is the logical operation performed on various input bits, and according to that, each logic gate will produce a single binary output. So remember that only one output is available for the each logic gates. Let us start with the first logic gate, that is NOT gate. So here you have to mention few things like input bits, input combinations, output and its operation. So if you remember these 4 points, you will able to write short note on any logic gates. So let us start with it. First is the number of input. Here we are denoting number of input as a small n is equal to 1. So see in the symbol, number of input is 1 and it is denoted by A. Second thing, number of possible input combination, 2 raised to small n value, here it is 1. So 2 raised to 1, it will give 2. So number of input combination will be 2, 1 and 2. Number of output will be 1. So in any logic gates, remember that output will be only single bit. Input can be more than 1 bit, but output will be 1 bit only. Now what performs NOT gate? So it will give complement of input bit. For that, it is also known as inverter. So in the exam, sometime it is asked that write short note on inverter gate. So you have to write NOT gate. So complement, that means whatever you give in the input, it will produce opposite of it. That means if you apply 0, it will produce 1. If you apply 1, it will produce 0. So equation we can write that output is complement of input. So B is output and complement of input A, that is A bar. So equation will be B is equal to A bar. And you have to remember NOT gate symbol, triangle and then a bubble. So this was the NOT gate. Now let us see the IC of NOT gate. IC, that means integrated circuit. So whenever you want to do the use of NOT gate in any project or in any circuitry, then in the shop you have to ask the IC number. You cannot ask that give me NOT gate. So you have to remember IC number 74LS04. You can simply ask in the shop 7404. You have to skip LS, right? So 7404 IC is for the NOT gate. Now each IC has a number of pins. It is also known as number of legs, right? So here starting from 1, 2 and 7 and 14. So pin available in NOT gate IC is 14. Out of this 14, 2 pins are fixed. 14 number pin at VCC plus supply, 7 number pin is ground negative supply. If these 2 pins are not connected, then IC will not work. Okay, so these 2 pins are compulsory when you are using this IC. Next IC numbers, if we see if one number it is connected at the input of first gate, it is named as A1. Then 2 number pin is connected at the output of first NOT gate, it is named as Y1. So same manner other NOT gate pins are connected, input output, input output, input output, input output, right? So in one IC how many NOT gates are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 6 NOT gate are available to use in a single IC. One more thing that here while using this IC you cannot change the position of input and output. That means whatever it is given, it is fixed. You have to use according to this input and output. You cannot connect 1 as a output and 2 as a input. It is fixed. So from where that you will find a data sheet. A thing is data sheet. Each IC has, or every electronic component has its data sheet. You can easily find out it on Google. So everything in the data sheet is given, that which pin you have to connect. So no need to remember it, you can easily find out. More thing in the data sheet is available is temperature. Up to which temperature your IC will work. Next thing is voltage. So maximum how much voltage you can apply, that is also mentioned in that data sheet. So data sheet is most important when you are using any ICs. So find out it on Google. Okay, so this was the NOT gate and its IC. Let us see next gate, that is AND gate. Same thing you have to define as we have done in the NOT gate. Input combination and output. So input, number of inputs are 2. So number of input combination 2 raised to n value is 2. 2 raised to 2 will be 4. 4 combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And its symbol that you have to remember, AB is input, C is output. Now what AND gate performs? So it performs multiplication of 2 bits. So maximum 4 combination will be there that are given in the truth table, right? So let us do multiplication of it and find out the output. First combination 0 multiply 0 will give 0, 0 1 multiply will give 0, 1 multiply 0 will give 0, and 1 multiply 1 will give 0. That means in this logic gate it produces 1 when all the input are at logic 1. Okay, so equation will be C is equal to A multiplied by B, that is Boolean equation or Boolean expression you can say. So this was the AND gate. You have to remember its symbol, truth table, equation and description. Now let us see its IC. Its IC number is 7408. So you can ask in the shop that give me 7408 IC. So you will find out AND gate. So in this IC, as I have told earlier, 14 number pin VCC is fixed, 7 number pin ground is fixed, and other pins are used for input and output purpose. So 1 and 2 are used for input, 3 is input, 3 is used as output, 4 5 input, 6 output, and same manner. How many gates are there in one IC? 1 2 3 and 4. Here 4 gates are available in a single IC. In the NOT gate IC it was 6. Here number of inputs are more, so more pins are used in the input pins. So we can use only 4 AND gate in a single IC. Okay, so that you have to remember about the AND gate. Now the next is the application of AND gate. Suppose you want to build an application using AND gate, then you have to put 2 switches or 2 diodes in a series manner. Why? Because if you want to achieve truth table of AND gate, then in the series combination it will give. Now let us see how. Suppose A here switch is in open, that means 0. B is open, that means 0, first case. So if both switches are open, then if current is flowing from this direction, it will not pass through A or B, so path will not be complete, so no current will be there, that means 0. Now in the second case, A0 yani open, B1 that means close. Suppose current is coming from here, so A is open, so no current will be there, so it will give 0. Third case, A1 that means close and B0 that means open. So if current is flowing from this direction, it will pass through A, but it will not pass through B, and hence it will not reach up to C. C is our output, so no current will be there, so answer is 0. Fourth case, A and B are at logic 1 that means close. Now in this case, current will flow through A and B both, and it will reach up to C. That means we will get some output. Here it is mentioned logic 1, but you have to consider some output is there. So whenever you are building application of AND gate, you have to connect it in series, both the diode, then you can find out AND gate. Let us see next gate, that is OR gate. OR gate, that means addition of 2 bits. Number of input is 2, hence 2 raised to n value is 2, 2 raised to 2 it will give 4, and number of output is 1. So here we have to perform addition. So see in the truth table, let us take first case 0 plus 0, it will produce 0. 0 plus 1, it will produce 1. 1 plus 0, it will produce 1. And in the last case 1 plus 1, it will produce 1. Okay. Now here the question in the last combination, from the last combination, then 1 plus 1 should be 2. Then why 1? Here, as I have told earlier, it is Boolean function, Boolean variable. So either it can be 0 or 1, not beyond that any value. So 1, that means some value is there, or you have to consider as a logic 1, not the number or not the value 1. Okay. So equation will be C is equal to A plus B, addition of 2 bits. And in the symbol, you have to remember this symbol. A and B 2 inputs, C is output. Okay. Now the IC of OR gate. So application of OR gate. Here 2 diodes are connected in parallel. So let us investigate one by one case. 0 0, both the switches are at open, so no current flow. 0 0 1, A is open, B is closed, so current will pass through B and hence it will reach up to C. So output is 1. A is closed, B is open, so current will pass through A and it will reach up to C. So there will be some current, so that means output is 1. Last case is 1 1, both the switches are at close, so current will pass through from the both the switches, so you will get some output. So output logic is 1. So in this manner OR gate is used by connecting parallel combination. Now the NAND gate. NAND gate, that is most popular gate that is used compared to any other gate. NAND gate is also called universal gate. It is called universal gate because from it we can make each gate. Every gate is we can made from the NAND gate. So one separate lecture is there on, so you can refer it later. NAND gate, its symbol NAND gate, that means not AND gate. So after AND gate put one bubble, that is NAND gate. And in the truth table we have to apply first AND operation, multiplication of 2 bit and then the NOT. So equation will be A multiply B whole bar. Now let us see in the truth table. First combination 0 0, 0 multiplied by 0 will produce 0. Then we have to do its NOT, so 0's NOT will be 1. 0 multiply 1 will give 0, its NOT will be 1. 1 into 0, it will give 0, its NOT is 1. 1 into 1, it will give 1, its NOT will be 0. So in this manner you can write truth table of 8. IC number is 7400. 14 number pin VCC, 7 number pin ground, and other pins are used for the input and output combinations. Here it is mentioned 2 input NAND. So more than 2 input, it is also available for the 3 input or so on. So its IC number will be differ. You can Google it. So this was the NAND gate. You have to remember all these things. Let us study next gate, that is NOR gate. NOR, that means not of or operation, or that means addition. So after doing OR operation, you have to find out its NOT. A plus B whole bar, that will be equation of NOR gate. In the symbol, after NOR you have to put one bubble, so that will become NOR gate. So let us find out its truth table, addition and then NOT. 0 plus 0, 0, its NOT is 1. 0 plus 1 will give 1, but its NOT is 0. 1 plus 0, 1, its NOT is 0. 1 plus 1, it is 1, but its NOT is 0. So in this manner, you have to write its truth table. Its IC number is 4001. 14 number pin VCC, 7 ground, and all other pins are used for the input output purpose. Here you can use 4 NOR logic gate in a single IC. So this was NOR gate. All these things you have to remember. Next gate is XOR gate. It is exclusive OR gate. So its symbol that you have to remember, AB is input, C is output. Okay, now its truth table, how it is defined? It is very simple. See, suppose in input combination both the bits are same, that means 0 0 and 1 1, both bits are same. So at that output you have to write is 0. In the same bit, output you have to write is 0. If two bits are different, that means 0 1, 1 0, both bits are not same. So at that point you have to write 1 1. Okay. So remember, if same bit, then answer is 0. If different bits are then answer is 1. So this is for XOR gate. When we will derive for the XNOR, this will be opposite, that we will see in the next slide. Equation of this will be C is equal to A XOR B. It is A, and this manner it is written and called A XOR B. That you have to remember. Exclusive NOR gate. In the symbol, after XOR gate you have to put one bubble, so that will be XNOR gate, and equation will be XOR whole bar. Now how truth table is defined? Suppose same bit are given 0 0 and 1 1, same bit are there, then answer will be 1. If bits are different 0 1 and 1 0, then answer will be 0. So same bit will here give answer 1, different bit will give answer 0. So exact opposite of XOR gate. So this thing you have to remember while defining truth table. Okay, so up to this it was 7 basic logic gates, its symbol, its truth table, its equation and ICs. Last we will see the 3 input XOR gate. So as I have told earlier that more than 2 inputs it can be possible in the each gate except NOT gate. So if 3 input are given and we have to perform its XOR operation, how will it will be done? So first of all you have to perform 2-bit XOR operation, and then answer of it will perform XOR operation with the 3rd bit. For example, let us take this case. So here first 2 bit are 0 1, that means different bit. Different bit will produce answer 1. So this answer will XOR with the 3rd bit. So 1 0, again different bit, it will produce answer 1. In the same manner you can find out for other combinations. Here one more thing I have to see. Here 3 inputs are there, so combination will be 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So 1 2 and 3. So here in the first column half of 8, that is 4. So in the first column write 4 times 0, then 4 times 1. In the next column half of 4, write 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So in this manner you have to write table. Okay, and this is the easy method to define the input combination. Okay, so this was the truth table of this and IC. So in the integrated IC, 2 pins are at fixed and others are used for the input and output combination. Here you can use maximum 3 gates because more number of pins are used for the more number of inputs, so number of gates are reduced here. So in this IC 3 gates are available. Okay, so from this you have to write down one assignment. Question number 1, short note on various basic logic gates. So submit it on time. Okay, thank you.